exposing the secret sauce to fun conversations. It's all about playful communication. First up, don't take yourself too seriously. Sprinkle in some humor. A joke here, a pun there, and boom, instant connection. Next, show genuine interest. Ask quirky questions like, if you could have any superpower, what would it be? It's a great way to get people talking. And hey, don't forget body language. A friendly smile, nodding along, and even a high five can make a huge difference. Lastly, be a good listener. Respond with enthusiasm and maybe a playful tease. Show you're engaged and enjoying the chat. So remember, humor, interest, body language, and listening. Sprinkle these in and watch your conversations come to life. That's it, folks. Go out there and make your chats playful and fun. You got this. Subscribe for more tips and happy chatting.